Hello all. Today, let's see why the CAPTCHAs are used. If you are not sure what CAPTCHAs are, these images may help you find that. CAPTCHAs are the problems that are solved only by the humans, and not by any robot or a piece of code. Sites without CAPTCHAs are easily crashed by the hackers by simulating multiple user requests via programs and bring the server down. CAPTCHAs are mostly used in registration pages and the place where media files are uploaded by guest users. But due to advancement in artificial intelligence, computers can easily recognize CAPTCHAs content better than human. This is the time to reinvent CAPTCHAs. Thank you for watching. Happy learning!